Hello dear friends and welcome back to Torque News. Today I want to talk about something happening in Europe that could make a big difference for anyone thinking about buying an electric car or just following Tesla's amazing journey. How Tesla's Giga Berlin is stepping up and what its new big move that they just talked about means for you and the EV market. So we're diving into what's going on at Tesla's Giga Berlin factory and why the big move they just made matters more than you might think. Welcome back everyone. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you're here first time and if you like the story, please subscribe to our channel and visit us at TorqueNews.com and give us like. I would greatly appreciate. So here's the scoop. Tesla's Berlin factory, Giga Berlin as they call it, just decided to build more cars. Not just a few more, but really ramp things up. And I want to walk you through what actually that means in the simplest way possible, because it actually touches you whether you're in Germany, Austria, Canada, or honestly anywhere Tesla sells cars. Their plant manager just made the big announcement. I don't remember now, so I can't quote it, about increasing the sales are going well and so on, and they're increasing the production. So what's happening at Giga Berlin? Imagine a bakery. Every morning they bake 100 loaves of bread. The problem? They've got 100 people, 150 people waiting in line. The shelves keep emptying too fast and customers leave annoyed. What do? You bake more breads, right? That's basically Tesla right now. The Model Y has been selling apparently so well that Berlin is cranking up. The Giga Berlin is cranking up the ovens and pushing out more cars. And not just for Europe, this factory also ships to other corners of the world. Now, let me tell you this in plain English. In other words, Tesla has decided to turn up the dial on electric vehicle production at its Giga Berlin factory. This is the place where most of the Model Ys for Europe come from. Lately, demand has been strong enough that Tesla said, okay, we're building more. And it's not just for Germany or France or Norway. As I said, this factory also ships cars as far away as Australia, New Zealand, parts of New Middle East, and even North America. Not in China, because in China, Tesla also has a gigafactory. Now, this means that when Berlin speeds up, a lot of other markets feel the effect. So why should you care about this now, you may say? Here's where it gets interesting for you. Shorter wait times. If you have ever been told your car will be ready in 3 to 6 months when you go to a car dealership or a Tesla center, service center, you know how frustrating that is, right? More car production usually means faster delivery. This is why I said this will affect your next car purchase. Better prices eventually. The more cars you make, the cheaper they get per unit. Companies often pass some of that saving along, or at least they can afford to run discounts and promotions without losing money. That's good news if you're planning to buy an electric vehicle, or if you're planning to buy a Tesla. And a confidence signal. Tesla wouldn't do this if they thought demand was weak, right? This is their way of saying, we're not worried. People still want Tesla cars. And here's the not so smooth parts. But hold on, it's not all perfect as they may seem. Shipping cars halfway across the world is complicated and costly. Tesla also faces heavy competition in Europe. Local brands aren't just sitting still, and demand, while strong right now, can cool if governments cut incentives or if the economy takes a hit. So why it's bigger than just Tesla, you may say. Here's the part I love. Every time a factory like Berlin speeds up, it pushes the whole industry forward. Imagine the parts production and so on. So more Teslas on the road mean more charging stations, more pressure on other car markets to step up, and more visibility for electric vehicles in general. This isn't just Tesla building car, it's Tesla kind of nudging the market saying keep up or you may be left behind. And there is a takeaway for all of us. What's the takeaway? So if you're waiting on a Tesla, you might not have to wait as long And if you're eyeing prices, don't be surprised if things get more competitive. We have seen in the past Tesla making aggressive discounts to push its cars. And if you're just watching the electric vehicle story unfold, this is another signal that we're heading toward the future where electric isn't the niche, it's becoming the norm. What do you think, friends? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This is the today's chat. Nothing actually nothing overcomplicated, just a simple truth. Tesla's Giga Berlin factory is stepping up because people want more electric vehicles, they want more Teslas, and when Tesla makes a move like this, the whole industry pays attention. So thanks for spending a few minutes. I may do another video later today at Torque News YouTube channel, and visit us at torquenews.com, please. If you found this helpful, share with friends. It might be the push they need to understand where this whole electric vehicle thing is going. And I would greatly appreciate it. And I'd like to hear from you, your thoughts in the comment section below. God bless you, everyone. Give us thumbs up. And I'll see you soon in our next report.